Here is a diagnostic prosthetic socket ready to be turned into a definitive socket using a vertical fabrication jig. First, the foot is removed and the bottom tube clamp is connected to the foot bolt on the bottom arm of the vertical fabrication jig. A collar is placed on the pipe that keys in to the top arm of the jig. This holds the pipe in the exact location in the jig, no matter how many times it is taken in or out. The pipe is placed into the top arm of the jig and is then inserted into the socket. Next, the socket is filled with plaster and it is left to harden so that we have an exact replica of the inside of the socket. When the thermoplastic socket and all of the metal modular components are removed, you have the exact shape of the inside of the socket held in the specific and precise relationship to the foot bolt on the bottom of the jig. We can now fabricate the socket out of a new material, in this case carbon fiber and fiberglass, and maintain that exact relationship to the foot bolt. Different modular components can then be placed in the jig between the top of the foot bolt and the bottom of the socket. The final lamination can then be completed, and there you have the socket, connected to the foot bolt in exactly the same orientation as it was in the beginning, although the socket and all the materials connecting it to the foot bolt are different. The prosthesis can then be removed from the jig and connected to the original foot in the exact same relationship as it was in the beginning. And now the socket is ready for the patient to come pick up and use.